Hi, I'm Lisa Anderson with this week's Supply Chain Byte. So what's top of mind is appreciating and valuing your supply chain talent, your top talent. One would think that this should be a common basic, and it should be. However, as we head into the holiday season, make sure it is so and emphasize it. If you think about it, in addition, MHI and Deloitte just did a study that says that for production and operations management, 48% of manufacturers found moderate to significant difficulty in filling key positions. Now, you should always just be doing this. It's a good course of being successful in business. However, you should also be thinking about why you should make sure that you're looking at who is making it so that you don't have problems. It's easy to recognize the firefighters amongst us, and they should be appreciated as well. However, who is it and what people do you have that are making sure that you don't have fires and that things just go along smoothly so you don't need to focus on them and you may not be thanking them or appreciating them? That is who you need to be thinking about now and ensuring that you thank them, value them, and retain them to be successful and to have a positive work environment.